That's Fife. That's where lots of people stay. Some people work in Edinburgh. They bought a house in Dalgety Bay. But I know if I want to go to Ochtertool, I turned off the M90 and joined the A92. I said that's Fife. And as funny as it may seem, they've got two wee places on the coast called Pitt and Weem. One time I took the ferry to Zeebrugge town. I did, but can't do that no more, cause they closed it down. I've been to Dunfermline, Glenrothes, Crossgates, Buckhaven, Cowdenbeath too, Auchtermuchty, Kirkcaldy, Kinghorn, Lochgelly, even Aberdour. Each time I find myself staring methyl in the face, I pick myself up and get the out of that place. That's Fife. I tell you, I can't deny it. I saw a caravan in Lower Largo. Man, I'm gonna buy it. And if you're hungry and you don't think it's going too far, let's go to Anne Struthers' award-winning fish and chip bar. I've been to Dunfermline, Glenrothes, Crossgates, Buckhaven, Cowdenbeath too, Auchtermuchty, Kirkcaldy, Kinghorn, Lochgelly, even Aberdour. Each time I find myself staring methyl in the face, I pick myself up and get the out of the place. That's Fife. And I can't deny it. I've heard so much about Jackie O's, but I've never tried it. I love the kingdom from Ballingry to Rosyth, because I broadcast across Edinburgh, the Lothians,